I think vertical is a big word, right? Like when we look at hotels, is that a vertical? When you start working in laundries, and then we're now starting to do venues. We're putting 10 robots that are going to set up tables for venues. So then we can move that to a different application. So when you define vertical, it's like service robots, that's a vertical, probably. I do see a layer that I didn't thought that surprises me. And this is where our focus is now, mostly after the VLA, the RL, and that was the conversation before, I'm not going to repeat, is the layer of providing context to robots. So like we found out that at one of our hotels, one elevator is taking longer than the second one. So you want to cheat the robot and say, hey, you know what? You take elevator 2, person can take elevator 3. And there's like a lot of how do we build this context and how do we take all of this unstructured data to structured data. And this layer, I feel like it's a layer that we can replicate to other use cases and other verticals, because that's a lot of how robots can actually work besides looking at just one instance of them.